Scott Blumenshine Law Group. Our motto is maximum recovery, minimum time. Seeking to be of some help to you. I'll give you a little tidbit here on a question we get asked all the time, which is, do I have a case? And the answer is maybe, but the three things that we look at, that insurance companies look at, defense attorneys look at, judges, jurors look at, are seriousness of your injury, the negligence or fault of another party, and three is insurance. So number one, on the seriousness of your injury, what's a serious injury? Serious injury is something that causes pain and severe pain, and pain that lasts for a while. 3 months is really a marker for whether you have a case. The pain is going to be disabling in some way, keeping you from doing what you did before the incident. These cases are about before and after. How were you before? How are you after? If your life's been affected significantly for 3 months, you have a serious injury. A serious injury requires treatment. So you have a serious injury, but there has to be treatment because other lawyers have to have the evidence. The evidence is the medical testimony, medical bills, medical records. So number one, do I have a case? You have a serious injury. Number two, is somebody at fault? That's not always an easy question. An easy question is, the answer is somebody at fault? If they rear end you in their car, they're at fault. But you have intersection collisions where there's a he said, she said, who had the red light, who had the green light, who's at fault. If there's witnesses that say you had the green light, the other driver had the red light, that one's easier. But that's what requires investigation, going out to get witnesses, taking photos, looking at video, looking at the incident report. So somebody at fault. On fall down incidents, who's at fault? That's always a challenge too, because they always try to blame the person at fault. Our job is to blame to whoever owned the property. So one is injury, two is fault, three is insurance. When a business is at fault, there's almost always insurance, and significant insurance, usually not an issue. It's in the auto collisions. There's a lot of people driving around with no insurance. In that case, we go uninsured motorist coverage claim. We do a lot of those. We get that from your policy. And then there's underinsurance. The other driver had a little small policy. You have a big injury, that underinsured coverage fills the gap. So do I have a case? It requires, evaluation of those things. Glad to talk to you about it for free. Give us a call. Look us up on the website. Blumenshine Law Group, maximum recovery, minimum time. We can be of help to you. Thanks.